Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to launch a LinkedIn ads campaign, specifically sales and conversion ads using the LinkedIn Ads Manager or Campaign Manager. Don't forget to visit the description section. There are things you need to see and to have access to. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight into this video. Once you visit your LinkedIn, you click on advertise. Here are different ad accounts here. So I'm gonna scroll down. So this is the ad account I want to use. You can see it's active. Then I'm going to select it. Okay, so you can just continue setting up your ads from here. But if it doesn't, you most likely find something like this when you click on create later overview, where all campaigns are. So you click on overview just to be sure. Okay. Next, we click on create. Then select campaign. Now you're going to choose a name. You could name it anything you want. So we could just call it seller ads. Okay. Then you, for campaign objective, we select web conversion. Okay. We're not going to set any budget here at the campaign level. Okay. So run ads. We're going to go for set ads. Set a start and end date. So let's go for this one. We want this to start running from tomorrow. Then end date, let's bring it backward a bit. So let's just do maybe 10 days ads, about 10 days. Okay, then we'll click on next. So we're done. No budget for the campaign. So this is the ad set type. For the ad set type, it's either you go for accelerated. This is more like an AI version. Classic is more like manual. You have more control. So we're gonna go for classic. This is more like the difficult one, or could be the more difficult or the more taxing one. So select this, then click on next. So we give it a name, or you could just leave it this way, web conversion. You could also edit this name if you want. Okay, so sometimes, okay, you usually find this empty. So you could also click on add new. Okay, or you could skip this whole area. No need. So let's just skip. So most times you're going to find it this way if it's a new ad account. Okay, so we're going to skip this. We don't want, so let's just skip. Click on skip. We don't want any help from the AI. Okay, no specific offering here. But you could still add if you want. So you click on add new. So let's say next level mentorship program. Then the store, input our link, then we just save. Okay, so I'm not going, you can use this if you want. Use auto targeting to maximize results. I don't want to use that. So location Nigeria. So you could change your location here. You could also use saved audience if you want. Okay, but there's no saved audience on this ad account. It's a new ad account. These are audiences. Okay. Other audiences you could, see all. So we're gonna leave all of that. So we want to target the whole Nigeria. Then from age, maybe age 25 and above, your target audience. So we're gonna leave all of this for now. We want the targeting to be loose. Okay. Then for ad format, we go for video. Okay. So these are estimated size, 13 million plus. So we go for video. URL tracking parameter. We're gonna skip this. This is optional. Placement, LinkedIn and LinkedIn audience network. Yes. Okay. Daily budget. Yeah, we're gonna use daily budget. So we're gonna do 20,000. Then run ads continuously. We're gonna set a start and end date for the ad set level. So we want this to start tomorrow, 18th. Then we want it to end. Let it just run for 10 days, like we mentioned lately. Okay. So next is bidding. We leave it maximum delivery. Our optimization goal is web conversions. Okay. Then conversion tracking. Let's see. Okay, for conversion tracking, we're just going to go for buy now. We're going to mark this one. So the buy now, people who clicked on the buy now button. So particularly this is seller store. Once they click on choose ticket, people who successfully click on this button, they are the ones it's going to track. Okay. So which means people who click and make it to the stage. That's what we want to track. We don't want something too deep for now. We scroll down, then we'll click on next. Yeah, save. Okay, so you can create new ads from scratch or you browse existing content. We're going to browse existing content. Okay, so from the company page, so let's select all of them. We want to use one, two, three, okay, 4 and 5. Let's see if there's another one to be used. Okay, let's just use those one. Let's just use those ones for now. Let's use this 5 for now. Then we'll click on add to asset. Okay, so in some cases, they might ask you to edit. So once you're done doing all your edits, okay, so then we'll click on next. Then you click on launch ad after previewing everything. Okay, so your ads are being previewed.